Nairobi.
To the corridors of justice now, where a terror suspect has claimed in court that Somalia's National Intelligence Service Agency officers attacked Kenyan police reservists manning the border to rescue him. Isaac Kabdi is facing terrorism charges alongside two others, including Bula Power Assistant Chief. Kabdi said that the Somali agency was led by his brother, who wanted to get him back to Somalia. The Somali national appeared before the Kahawa Law Court's magistrate Gideon Kiage and admitted to procuring an ID and being in the country illegally. Elsewhere, former DCI officers from the disbanded Special Service Unit will know on May 30th whether a murder charge preferred against them by the Director of Public Prosecutions will be quashed, as our reporter Fred Kagonye now details.
Isaac Kabdi on Wednesday told Magistrate Gideon Kiage that his brother led Somalia's National Intelligence Service Agency NISA to attack Kenyan police reservists manning the border with Somalia to rescue him after he was taken into custody over a terror plot.
Hawa watu nilimkujia NISA ni mandugu zake au polisi wa Somalia. So anasema si watu wabaya. Anasema hizi zingine ni prosecution on post bond. Anasema pia kuna shida anaweza achiliwa na bond.
The March 14 attack left one officer, Dennis Omari, dead and another, Right Mukua, injured. The attackers took away two firearms, a G3 and an AK-47, and 90 rounds of ammunition, which they later returned. According to the state, Kabdi sneaked into the country to execute a plan together with the Bula Power Sub-Location Assistant Chief Yusuf Malim and Nur Yakub to kidnap Chinese nationals working for Sino Hydro Corporation Limited in Mandera County. Kabdi pleaded guilty to procuring a Kenyan identification card and being in the country illegally, in a case where he is also facing terror charges alongside Malim and Yakub. The three suspects will know whether they will be freed on bond on Friday next week. Elsewhere, former Directorate of Criminal Investigations officers from the disbanded Special Service Unit who are accused of murdering two Indians, Zulfikar Khan and Mohammed Zaid Kidwai, and the Kenyan taxi driver Nicodemus Mwania concluded the hearing of their case, where they are seeking to quash a murder charge preferred against them by the Director of Public Prosecutions, Renson Igonga.
There has been no circumstantial evidence on death presented, since this circumstantial evidence can only be weighed to conclusion of a death by a trial court through hearing of an application brought pursuant to Section 118A of the Evidence Act.
Proof of death is a prerequisite requirement that the DPP must satisfy himself before he can make a decision to charge.
Kiambu High Court Judge Abigail Mshila said that she will deliver her judgment on the petition on May 30th. Fred Kagonye, KTN, Nairobi.
Well, thanks, Fred Kagonye. We want to recap the question we were asking tonight on the BQ STEM